To get a loan using an EMI calculator, start by determining your loan requirements, including the amount you need to borrow and the repayment tenure. Next, research and compare different loan options from various lenders to find the one that best suits your needs. Choose a lender that offers competitive interest rates and flexible repayment terms. Once you have selected a lender, use their EMI calculator to calculate your monthly installment amount. The EMI calculator will require you to input the loan amount, interest rate, and repayment tenure. For example, if you want to borrow $100,000 at an interest rate of 12% per annum for a period of 5 years, you can use the EMI calculator to determine your monthly installment amount. The calculator will take into account the loan amount, interest rate, and repayment tenure to give you an accurate calculation of your EMI. After calculating your EMI, review the terms and conditions of the loan to ensure you understand all the costs involved, including the interest rate, processing fees, and any other charges. If you are satisfied with the loan terms, you can proceed to apply for the loan by filling out the application form and submitting the required documents. The lender will then verify your creditworthiness and other details before approving your loan application. Once your loan is approved, the lender will disburse the loan amount to your account, and you can start repaying the loan in monthly installments. It is essential to make timely payments to avoid late payment charges and to maintain a good credit score. By following these steps and using an EMI calculator, you can get a loan that meets your financial needs and make informed decisions about your loan repayment.